Hey veterans, have you had a VA claim previously denied by the VA? If so, you're not alone, and the good thing is it's not the end of the journey. In this video, I will break down the 3 different appeal options that every veteran should know: the supplemental claim, higher level review, and formal appeal. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what your next step should be, how to protect your back pay, and how to take back control of your VA claim. If you're new here, please hit subscribe and the bell below. Every week I share proven strategies on helping veterans navigate the VA system to get the benefits they've earned. I'm Todd Traczyk, West Point graduate, combat vet, and founder of Benefits Beyond Service. I've helped a lot of veterans turn denials into approvals, like one client who got denied for migraines. After he filed the supplemental claim, he was able to add new evidence, including a migraine log chart, which eventually he got approved and got a 30% rating. Once you understand the appeal process, you take back control of your VA journey. Let's discuss the different appeal options. Option number 1, supplemental claim. If your evidence was weak or missing in your denied claim, start with a supplemental claim. Bring in new medical records, updated records, nexus letters, DBQs, or buddy or spouse statements that are relevant to your claim. The VA will not recognize or acknowledge old documentation. It must be new. One veteran I was working with brought in a nexus letter from his doctor connecting his sleep apnea with his PTSD, which ultimately overturned a denial into an approval. Option number 2, higher level review. This essentially tells the VA, I already gave you enough relevant information, or that you missed something or got something wrong. In this option, a senior VA rater will review your claim, but also no new evidence or documentation will be allowed. You can also request an informal conference call to point out the VA errors. However, this may delay the process. One of my clients actually won a higher level review after he had pointed out to the VA that they ignored a key medical record. Option number 3, formal appeal. If the VA still got it wrong, in your opinion, you may want to consider filing a formal appeal to the VA. In this situation, a veteran's law judge will review your claim. You will have 3 different options: direct review, meaning no new evidence; evidence submission, meaning you can provide new documentation and evidence within 90 days; and a hearing where you talk directly with the judge. A formal appeal can take longer, but if you're persistent, it can overturn bad decisions. So, which appeal should you choose? If your evidence was weak or missing, you should file a supplemental claim. If you think the VA missed something or is wrong about something, then file for a higher level review. And if you think both of those failed you, then consider doing a formal appeal. And remember to file within a year to lock in your effective date and protect your back pay. How to avoid some common mistakes. Don't forget your 1-year deadline to file for your appeal. Don't send in duplicate evidence. And most importantly, don't give up after one denial. Remember, most veterans win their appeals because they're persistent. Quick question: which appeal option have you used in the past or are currently going through? Supplemental claim, higher level review, or formal appeal? Please drop in the comments below as I read and reply to everyone, and your comments may help another veteran. Let's do a recap. Supplemental equals adding new evidence. Higher level review equals VA fixing their mistakes. And a formal appeal equals taking your claim to a veteran's law judge. Remember, getting a denial in your claim, it's not the end. It's your chance to fight smarter to get the benefits you've earned. If you found this information helpful, please go on the link below and you can get your free VA appeal guide. Also, if you want personal guidance on your journey, please go on my Calendly link below and click a free strategy call. And if this video is helpful to you, please like, comment, and subscribe so that other veterans can find this video more easily.